Hey everyone, and welcome back to Luna Plays Roblox. This is Luna here, and today I'm in a really gloomy, sad mood because in today's video I'm gonna be explaining just the very thing which happened on 16th of March, which is exactly 2 months after my birthday. So yes guys, I got my Roblox account hacked by a person, and he literally took all of my Adopt Me legendary pets except the Metloxes. So let's go inside Adopt Me and then I can tell you what exactly happened on the following 3 days. So yep. Okay guys, so here we are in Adopt Me, and yes, this is my inventory right now. He literally took all my legendary pets, but thank goodness he did not scroll down through my inventory. So like there are some of the out of game pets which are still left, and some of the neons which I made. So guys, so this is what happened on 16th of March. In the morning, I logged in to get my day login streak, and if you guys didn't know, I had my exams going on in March, so like I really did not want to get myself distracted by playing Adopt Me, so I just wanted to stay and study at home. And that's why I took a little break and I just did my day login streak. So March 16 I did it in the morning around like 9 or 10 a.m. All my pets were there, but after that in March 17 I was too busy. I couldn't do my day login streak. And you guys know, like, even though if you leave your day login streak, it doesn't really matter because Adopt Me gives you time until for like 2 days. That's what I have felt. And nextly, on March 18 when I logged in, I was just like shook just seeing that all my pets were gone, and that person took literally every single pet I had except the Metal Ox. So these two pets I got new. It was not my inventory when he hacked me. I only had these 3 Metaloxes and the other pets. And guys, here's the proof. Not lying. And I have, after thinking so much, I have, decided to maybe I might quit Adopt Me as well as YouTube, but I'll be posting, keeping you guys updated, and if at all I quit, I'll surely tell you guys, and then I'll just delete my YouTube account and my Roblox account. So this is what he did. This is the first ever trade he did, taking all my best pets. This is so, and I do not even know who this person is. His name is Plastic Rick. I actually reported him using many of my alt accounts and my main account, and I have never seen him in game also. And yes, he went dormant after hacking me, so probably, scammers these days have a lot of brains, and they quickly change the pets and use their main account. So he took all of these, but he took all my legendaries, but I think he was kind of like new to Adopt Me. He didn't know how the potions work, so he just left this teleportation potion. Yes, so yeah, that's it guys, and I really don't know if if I'm gonna continue playing Adopt Me, and I'm really sad about that. So yes. And if you guys want to help me out, if you guys will, like if you wish to, then you can surely, join my game. I recently got a premium account for like 1 month along with 40 Robux, and I have turned my joins on. It's over here. I have put who can join me everyone, so if you ever want to, give me something, you can just feel free to join me. And I'm really sad guys, but still I want to say a very big thank you for everyone who subscribed, and who had like given me company from the very first day of my YouTube channel. Currently we're at 74 subscribers, and I don't know whether it's gonna move on or I'm gonna quit it out me. So I'll keep you guys posted, and for now, bye guys, love you all so much.